Alright, finally my project 2 is complete, and let's take a brief look at what has been implemented. Okay, my project 2 has 6 models, one for bits, another for categories, another for comments, another for listings, another for users, and the last one for watch lists. Now let's log in as a normal user and create a new listing. I'm gonna make a test listing only to demonstrate the functionality. It's possible to leave image URL empty. It's possible to choose no category here. And okay, it's done. And here is an example of a listing that has no image, and this default image will be shown instead. The default route of this web application shows all of the active listings. Each of them has a photo if the user has presented one for it, a title, a short description, and the current bid. By clicking on this button, user will be presented with a page with more details about the listing, including longer description and the current price that changed based on the latest bid. If the user is signed in, which we are now, he or she has the capability to add this listing to the watch list by pushing this star. And if this listing is already in the watch list, it will be removed. You can see the counter increasing and decreasing here. If the user is not signed in, there will be an error message by pushing this star. We have the ability to change the bid. If the bid is equal or less than the current price, an error will be presented. And if it's successful, the current price updates. If we were not signed in, you can see that we were not able to place a bid. If the user is on a listing page that he or she created, there is the ability to close the auction, which makes the listing disabled and the user with the highest bid becomes the winner. I've designed this closed listing page here for users to be able to reach pages that they have closed or listings that they have won. If the user is the winner, listing will be shown here, and in listing page there is a message to congrats the user. Users are able to make comments on any listing page if they are signed in, and if not, well, they aren't. And there is a list of all comments that have been made before by other users too. This is the watchlist page, where users can see the listings that they have added to the watchlist before, and by clicking on any of them, they will be taken to the listing page. This is the category page, where users can see all of the categories that are available in the web application. And by clicking on any of these categories, user will be presented with a page that shows all of the listings in that category. Via the Django admin interface, a site administrator is able to view, add, edit, and delete any listings, comments, and bids made on the web application. Okay, that's all I had to demonstrate for Project 2. Thank you for your attention.